ሄሎ ቤተሰብ ሰላም አመሻችሁ፣ እንዴት ናችሁ? ሌትስ ስታርት የፊዚክስ ወርክሺት አዝ ኢንስትራክሽን ቹዝ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ፍሮም ዘ ጊቨን ኦልተርናቲቭስ። ከተሰጡት አማራጮች ትክክለኛ የሆነውን አንሰር ምረጡ ነው የሚለው። የመጀመሪያው which physics principle is used in MRI? which physics principle is used in MRI? MRI ምንድን ነው? ማግኔቲክ ሬዞናንስ ኢሜጂንግ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። እዚህንን ፊዚክስ ለዚህ የሚሆን ፊዚክስ ፕሪንሲፕል የትኛው ነው የሚለው ይሄ ምንድን ነው የሚለው ኒውክሊየር ማግኔቲክ ሬዞናንስ ይላል። ኒውክሊየር ማግኔቲክ ሬዞናንስ፣ ቢ ኤክስሬይ ዲፍራክሽን፣ ሲ ኤሌክትሮማግኔቲክ ኢንዳክሽን፣ ዲ ግራቪቴሽናል ሌንሲንግ። እንግዲህ ኤምአርአይ ምንድን ነው? ኤምአርአይ ኦር ማግኔቲክ ሬዞናንስ ኢሜጂንግ የምንለው ነው። ኒውክሊየር ማግኔቲክ ሬዞናንስ ነው የሚጠቀመው። ኒውክሊየር የሆነ ማግኔቲክ ሬዞናንስ ነው የሚጠቀመው። ምክንያቱም ምንድነው ሃይድሮጅን ፕሮቶኖች ምን ጋር ላይን ይሆናሉ? ማግኔቲክ ፊልድ ጋር ማለት ነው። ማግኔቲክ ፊልድ አሁን ሃይድሮጅን ፕሮቶን የምንላቸው እነዚህ ኤች ፕላስ እና ምንላቸው አሉ። እነሱ ሃይድሮጅን ፕሮቶኖች ምንድነው አላይን የሚያደርጉት ምን ላይ? ማግኔቲክ ፊልድ ላይ ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄኛው ደግሞ ምንድነው ሪስፖንዱ? እንደ ሪስፖንድ የሚሰጠው ራዲዮ ፍሪኩዌንሲ ፓልስ የሚባሉትን እንደ ኢሜጅ ክሬት በማድረግ ይሰጠናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ነው የሚጠቀመው? ማግኔቲክ ሬዞናንስን ይጠቀማል ማለት ነው። ማግኔቲክ ሬዞናንስን as the name it indicates magnetic resonance imaging, so it uses magnetic resonance. So the correct answer is A. The correct answer is A for number 1. Okay. Second, what is the primary focus of medical physics? What is the primary focus of medical physics? የሜዲካል ፊዚክስ ዋና ፕራይመሪ ፎከሱ ምንድን ነው? ሜዲካል ፊዚክስ እንግዲህ ምንድን ነው? ፊዚክስን ቱ ሜዲሲን ነው። ፊዚክስ ቱ ሜዲሲን ነው። ባለፈው ክላስ ላይ እንዳየ ነው ማለት ነው። ፎከስ የሚያደርገው ምንድን ነው? ሜዲሲን ኤሪያ ላይ ፊዚክስን ፎከስ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ኢት ሄልፕስ ዲያግኖዝ ምንድን ነው? ዲያግኖዝ ለማድረግ ነው የሚጠቅመው። አንድ ትሪት ዲዚያስ፣ ያው ዲዚያዎችን ለመከላከል እና ትሪት ለማድረግ የሚጠቅመው እሱ ምን ለመጠቀም ኢሜጂንግ ራዲዬሽን እና ኢንስትሩሜንቴሽኖችን ይጠቀማል ማለት ነው። ምን ሜዲካል ፊዚክስ ዩዚንግ ፊዚክስ as basic principles of physics to medicine areas for treatment and diagnosis of disease. Okay, choice number A, developing new engineering technologies, B, understanding geological process, C, applying physics principles to medical diagnosis and treatment, D, studying celestial bodies. So medical physics applies principles of physics to medicine areas. So the correct answer is C, applying physics principles to medical diagnosis and treatment. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3 says, how is fluid dynamics applied to human body? fluid dynamics ሂውማን በዲ ላይ ወይም የሰዎች ሰውነት ላይ እንዴት ነው አፕላይ የሚደረገው? ኤ ቱ ኤክስፕሌን ሃው መስልስ ኮንትራክት። እንግዲህ ፍሉይድ ዳይናሚክስ ምንድን ነው? ቤዚካሊ እንግዲህ when you talk about fluids, it is all about gases and liquids. Okay, gases and liquids. For instance, when you're talking about the human body, we are talking about liquids, basically blood flow circulation system. Okay, blood flow circulation system. So fluid dynamics ምንድን ነው? ሰዎች ላይ ስለ ብሎድ ፍሎ ኢንክሉዲንግ ፕሬዠር፣ ቪስኮሲቲ ኤንድ ፍሎ ሬት ኢንሳይድ አርቴሪ እና ቬኖች ላይ ያለውን ብለድ ኤንድ ሪሌትድ ሊኩዊድ solution movements in human body are all about applied in or categorized as fluid dynamics for human body. so basically የትኛው ነው የሚሆነው ነው የሚለው fluid dynamics human body ላይ በምን መልኩ ነው አፕላይ የሚሆነው? how እንዴት? okay, A, to explain how muscles contract. Okay, B, to analyze the flow of blood in the body. Okay, good. C, to understand process of photosynthesis. D, to study structure of bones. Yeah, basically, as I tried to explain, in fluid dynamics is all about fluid flow in a human body within arteries and veins. Okay, it basically talks about fluid flow. Fluid flow. So the correct answer is fluid flow. To analyze, or by analyzing fluid of flow of fluid in a sense, especially we are talking about blood in the body, So the correct answer here is B. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. What says, what's the primary role of quantum mechanics in chemistry? Okay, quantum mechanics in chemistry. Yeah, basically, when you're talking about quantum mechanics and quantum physics, they are under the basic uh, classifications of general science. Okay, in chemistry, what about it? Primary role of quantum mechanics in chemistry. Quantum mechanics describes basically electrons in atom. Okay, it's all about electrons in atom: electron, proton, neutron within nucleus. Okay, describes electrons in atom, explaining chemical bonding, orbitals, and molecular behavior. So to remember the basic principles of quantum mechanics from our uh, class sessions, it is all about chemical bonding, orbitals, and molecular behavior. Okay, what is the role? What is the role as a chemistry? A, to study chemical reactions. B, to describe the behavior of electrons in atom and molecules. C, to analyze macroscopic properties of matter. D, to measure temperature changes. Temperature changes. Temperature change, macroscopic properties of matter, chemical reactions. Basically, the answer will be B. It describes, or to describe, behavior of electrons in atoms and molecules. Since we are talking about quantum mechanics, it is basically on electrons in atoms, explaining about chemical bondings and orbitals, molecular behavior as general. Okay, so the correct answer is B, behavior of electrons in atoms and molecules. Let's dive into the question number 5. It is about the main role of light in photosynthesis. What is the main role of light in photosynthesis? Yeah, photosynthesis is nothing without light. Okay, in some cases, as natural category, photosynthesis is nothing without light. Okay, let's see the question. What is the main role of light in photosynthesis? A, to produce sound. B, to convert carbon dioxide and water into organic materials. C, to generate heat. D, to create electrical energy. Basically, photosynthesis uses light to have energy, right? To have energy, because it enables plants to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. So energy conversion is there, right? So basic motive for energy conversion is light here in photosynthesis. So for the question number 5, which one is the correct answer? To produce sound, to convert carbon dioxide and water into organic materials. Okay, organic materials. These materials are basically those are energized materials. Okay, they're energized. So glucose is here now. Okay, so the correct answer is B, to convert carbon dioxide and water into organic materials. We can say another. We can see the calculation parts in another periods. Okay. Question number 6. Which phenomenon is crucial for the functioning of the nervous system? Functioning of nervous system. Nervous system basically signals depend on electrical interactions as ions move across neutrons to transmit impulses. Okay, like such kind of scenario exists in nervous system. Okay, okay, which phenomenon is crucial for what? For basically for functioning of nervous system. Okay, choice number A. Choice option A. It says optical properties crucial for functioning. Okay, optical properties. B. Thermal energy. C. Electrical interactions. D. Mechanical forces. Basically, we are talking about the interactions, okay, or as ions that move from neutrons to transmit impulses. So electrical interactions is there. So it functions uh, basically in electrical interactions within nervous system. Okay, C is the correct answer. Okay, C is the correct answer. For question number 7, spectroscopy is okay. Question number 7, what it says? Spectroscopy is important in both physics and chemistry because spectroscopy. What is about spectroscopy? Okay, it is all about matter's interaction. Okay, matter's interaction in electromagnetic radiation. What's matter? Uh, Matter. What is matter? What is matter's interaction with electromagnetic radiations? What about structure? What about composition? Okay, that all is included here in chemistry and physics, because these are the basic science categories. So when especially we are talking about spectroscopy, uh, we are talking about matter's interaction with electromagnetic radiation. Okay, when they reveals to composition and structure. Composition and structure. A. Examines the interaction of matter with electromagnetic radiation. Okay. B. Studies only the motion of electrons in circuit. No, it's not only the motion of electrons. C. Only measures heat changes in chemical reactions. D. Applies exclusively to nuclear reactions. Yeah, choice A is the correct answer. When you're talking about spectroscopy, it is about interaction of matter with electromagnetic radiation. Okay, electromagnetic radiation. Okay, so A is the correct answer here. A is the correct answer. Question number 8. Hearing in human is fundamentally based on hearing in human is fundamentally based on hearing. A. Gravitational forces. A. Gravitational forces acting on the air. Gravitational forces acting on the air. B. Light waves stimulating the retina. C. Mechanical vibrations of eardrum caused by sound waves. D. State charges inside the inner ear. Vibration here is applied, okay? Where sound waves vibrate, the eardrum and inner ear structures take a vibration, okay? Take a vibration. So hearing basically less on mechanical vibration. Mechanical vibration. So hearing in human is fundamentally based on, yeah, C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Mechanical vibrations of eardrum, which is caused by sound waves. Sound waves. Okay, thank you for today. It's enough. Thank you.
Thank you. Please subscribe.